All right, good evening, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you are listening from. Please, Bashir, confirm if you can hear me, since my audio is not audible enough.
Yes, I can hear you loud, but your speaker is like it's having
Oh, my
it's not
speaker
audible.
again. Oh my God.
Yes.
Okay, let me fix it.
We that was like we stated on our group, we felt that the TGS is an added advantage to your trading skill. But it's important for you to watch the video, understand the settings, understand the terms and conditions before you apply. You don't just go straight because the coin, the strategy is vomiting money for people. I just want to jump in. You need to understand what it is, how it works, so that you will go make use of it for you to see the positive result you desire. However, you also, how do we trade these coins using RKTMI settings and using RKTMI style of trading? We'll show you this Zoom session by God's grace. Pay attention, and at the end, you ask your question. Now, you observe that in our training, we usually tell you to confirm on the 4 hour and 1 day. Then you can now go and trade on other time frame, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, and also the even on 1 minute. It all depends on what you want. But however, your entry time frame, if your entry time frame, take note of this. This is very important. What we want to show you guys is for you to see how you can trade on the 15-minute time frame and what time frame do you confirm, and why are you entering and why are you confirming. Everything has a reason. It's not just cast on stone. Now, the confirmation time frame is done just so in case the market goes against you. And it's important for you to know that you don't trade one coin. Never you do that. Minimum number of coins to trade is 3. Maximum is 10 for one shot. The reason why we're saying 3 is if you're trading 3 coins and you're using the settings, and even if you're trading 3 coins, you do 2:1. What I mean by 2:1 is that if you have 3 coins, 2 should go for default setting and 1 should go for bull tactics. So that whatever happened in the market just in case, you still can make money downtrend with the remaining 2 default setting, because default setting of RKTMI gives you money up and downtrend, while the bull tactics only give you uptrend, no downtrend. But you must ensure that you agree to the condition of using any of the tactics before you apply. Just like in the case of TGS, stop gainer strategy. You need to watch the video, understand it, understand the setting, and understand how you can pick the coin before you use it. Don't just say because people are making money, you just want to jump into it. The same thing with RKTMI. How do you use it? Understand it, know it, understand it, know the setting, know how you can go and pick the coin. It is very, very important. Now, if you're trading 3 coins, make sure you have 2 on default and 1 on both tactics. If you're trading 4 coins, you can be 2:2, that's 2 on default. The thing is that default setting should be 1 greater than that of the bull tactics. For example, you have 5 coins, 3 for default, 2 for bull. If you have 7 coins, you have 4 for default and 3 for bull. So that's how it is. You can see that default is always having 1. And why are you doing that? Just in case. Just in case. Always remember, no matter how bullish the market is, there's always a retracement. After an impulse, there's always a retracement. That you cannot stop, even in the bullish market. Even when we enter bull season proper, we are just in the pre-bull. Why? Because we need the interest rate, which is coming up on the 12th of June, June 12th. That's on Wednesday, in 2 days' time, right? In 2 days' time, the interest rate will be announced. We need that interest rate to be 5.5 or less for the market to be bullish. Anything greater than 5.5, it will crash the market. It will make people to start to panic and sell. 5.5 or below will make the market bullish. So we just need the interest rate, Federal Reserve, the US Federal Reserve to start cutting the interest rate. Once they do that, you start seeing the market become mind-blowing. The bullishness of the market will be going to be mind-blowing when it starts. However, you observe that right from last year, December up to date, they've been pausing it, they've been pausing it, they've been pausing it. They don't want to cut it down. So any day you see them cut it down, even if they don't cut it down, as long as it's still 5.5, you're still bullish. But any day they cut it down, that's when you start seeing the craziness of cryptocurrency. Where you trade with $100, you don't see the coin sell. Because of what? People will come in big time with their money. It is the money coming into this place that makes the price of the coin to become bullish. Now I will share my screen. Let's go straight to the chart. Bashir, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. It's coming up. Not yet.
Can you see it now?
It's not showing, sir.
Can you see it now? Can you see it now?
Still not okay. It's sure, sir. It's showing now.
Okay, that's fine. So if you can see my screen, let's go and see. Let me pick a coin. So if you're entering on the shorter time frame, start with 15 minutes, confirm on 4 hour. This is very, very important. When you're trading, start with 15 minutes, confirm in 4 hour. If your entry time frame is on the 15 minutes, you confirm in 4 hour. If your entry time frame is on 15 minutes, I repeat, you confirm on 4 hour. Right? This is very, very important. If your entry time frame is on 30 minutes, confirm on 1 day. If your entry time frame is 30 minutes, confirm on 1 day. If your entry time frame is on 15 minutes, confirm on 4 hours. I want to believe everybody understands what I mean by confirmation. Why are you confirming and why are you entering? You are confirming because you don't want, even in case the market goes against you, you still save. Yeah, you still save. Yeah, you don't want to see massive floating loss. That is why you're confirming. So for instance, now let's see this trade. This is let's see it on the 15 minutes. I'm going to use bar replay because you see it. So let's go. I'll pick my bar. Not too good. So I'll pick my bar replay. I think I'll cut it here. Let's see. It's going to give us what we want. No, it's not. I don't think this will work. Now you see. Now let's say you meet a trade like this. For instance, for example, I want to enter on the 15-minute time frame. Remember, write this down. If you're coming to Zoom, it's imperative for you to have your short notebook. All these things you see us say, we also, when we're learning this, we also have our notebook that we write all these things down, just that it is now that it has dissolved in our bloodstream. We don't need a note. But you can just do it like that. Keep writing things down so that you can ask tactical questions at the end of the session, not just listening to the session, just like you're listening to your music or radio. It doesn't work like that. Right? So if your entry time frame is on the 15 minutes, you confirm on the 4 hour. If your entry time frame is on the 30 minutes, you confirm on the 1 day. Now, somebody will say, but why RQTML, you confirm on the 4 hour and 1 day and you go and trade? That is another way of taking the trade, right? You confirm on the 4 hour or 1 day, and you go, if you confirm on the 1 day, you go and trade on the 4 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, and 5 minutes. If you confirm on the 4 hour, you go and trade on the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, and 5 minutes. But in this case, you can also switch the tactics. You can enter on any shorter time frame, but you need to know the time frame that you're going to confirm on. For example, you want to enter on the 1 minute, you confirm on the 15 minutes. You want to enter on the 5 minutes, you confirm on 1 hour. You want to enter on 15 minutes, you confirm on 4 hours. You want to enter on 30 minutes, you confirm on 1 day. Right? And anytime you are entering a trade that is on the 30 minutes and below, don't go beyond 1.5%. Unless it's above 30 minutes. Right? I repeat, you want to enter on the 1 minute, you confirm on 15 minutes. You want to enter on the 5 minutes, you confirm on the 1 hour. You want to enter on the 15 minutes, you confirm on the 4 hour. You want to enter on the 30 minutes, you confirm on the 1 day. However, if all these things I'm saying, if it's not making sense to you, you can stick to trading without analysis, where you just go and pick with RKTMI 25 other type coins. Anytime you see it dip by -3 or -5, you take your 3% and you're out. If all these things is not making sense to you. But however, if it is, then let's go. So now let's say I met this trade on the 15 minutes and I want to enter. All of you have the script of how we RKTMI use stochastic RSI and how they use the orthofib retracement. This is the 2 indicator tactics, RKTMI 2 indicator tactics. That is to say that the 2 indicator needs, we have several ways of picking trade, but this is just one of it. This is just one of it. And I want to tell you that this is retail trading and it is not casted on stone. And apart from that, it is not our mother or father's market. It is not your father or mother's market. The market, what you are doing now is retail trading, and it can give you 60% accuracy, meaning that if you're taking 10 coins with these tactics, 60% of those 10 coins can go your way, while the remaining 4 can go deep. But it will be, that is why we told you to be using margin calls, just in case, just in case if it goes against you, you have margin calls that will make the coin to keep vomiting dollar downtrend, pending when it will now completely sell off. This last is very important. Now, I have confirmed on the 4 hour. Let's say I have confirmed on the 4 hour, for instance, and the stochastic RSI, I want to enter on the 15 minute and I have confirmed on the 4 hour. That is to say the stochastic RSI line, this line that moves like a snake, is on the between the orange line and the green line. And the RSI between 0 and 50. If you go to the 4 hour, let's go and see. As you can see on the 4 hour, it's okay, right? Because the stochastic RSI between the orange line and the green line, and the RSI between 0 and 50. So I'll go to the 15 minute. Let's go to the 15 minute and see. You see on my 15 minutes, what is the entry condition? I need the stochastic to watch one of the 3. Go and get the script of the stochastic. You will see what I'm talking about. So you just need the stochastic RSI line to touch the green line, or the RSI to between 0 and 50, or is pointing up. As you can see, it's slightly pointing up, and the RSI between 0 and 25. These 3 conditions, you just need 1/3. If you have gotten it, and you need on the auto Fibonacci, you need the current candle to be what? To be on the 50% line or below the 50% line. This is the current candle. As you can see, is below the 50% line. Then you just go and pick your price range. Remember that if you are picking, we are not saying you cannot get 5% on the shorter time frame, but you want to be safe. That's why we say anything 30 minutes and below, take it 1.5% and you're out. And you're good to go. But you see, if I say I want to take 1.5% on this trade, because my entry time frame is on the 15 minutes, I'll just do like this and measure. See 1.5% and I'm out. If I play the play now, you see what I'm saying. You see it? That gives me my 1.5%. The question now is it 1.5% of $3,000 or 1.5% of $100? It is your capital that matters. right? $3,045. Convert it to Naira if you're in Nigeria, that's 66,000 Naira, which is the minimum wage that people are, the federal government workers are shouting for. Even with your smartphone, you can lie down in your room and cash out this money. Your question now is, do you have the skill? Just like Robert Kiyosaki says that skills makes you rich, not theories. Do you have the skill? That's one. And two, do you have the capital? That's two. So I want to believe you guys understood what I've just shared with you, right? So if you understand what I've just shared with you, I know it's not easy to understand all these things, right? It's not, of course it's not, but, right? But mind you, once you keep attending our Zoom session weekly, you should be able to get better day by weekly, week by week. So you have any questions? Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. It's network that threw me out. So somebody, if you understood that I've just shared, type a yes. Yes, Queen Temisi, you can't understand until you activate your boat. Queen Temisi, you can't get this if you don't. If you're just sitting down on the fence and watching people, watching this, you're sitting as a spectator and watching people. You can't get this unless you activate your boat and you start practicalizing what you are learning. You can't just sit down and be using the theory in your mind and thinking that you get it. It doesn't work like that. So if you have any challenge, any question, before I just do one more example, before we call it a day today, type it on the chat. You said, BC, you say, I continue to struggle in drawing the fifth line. Remember, I'm still reiterating this. We have the top gainer strategy, right? We have the top gainer strategy. Ensure you watch the video. Watch the video. Watch the video. Apply the settings to that tactics. Go to your real queue. You can also go to your real queue. I will show you, I think the next example I'm going to do, I'm going to show you. Go to your real queue and pick the coin and come to TradingView and analyze. Right? That's why you say you don't just go and pick any tactics and say you want to trade with it. That's why you see us saying that terms and conditions, you need to understand how it is, how it works, what it is, before you can say you want to just go and use it and make money, because your hard-earned money is what you're using there. So it's important for you to understand what it is. The video is there. If you want to use the top gainer strategy, it's up to you. If you want to use RKTMI strategy, it's up to you. So I will tag this as RKTMI strategy plus top gainer strategy. All you just need to do is to go to RealQ, pick the coin, come to TradingView, and analyze what I've just based on what I just showed you now, and you go and trade it. I say you enter the trade if you're using the auto Fibonacci indicator to confirm a trade. The current, if it's an uptrend, the current candle has to be on the 50% line or below the 50% line. If it's a downtrend, the current candle should be on the 0% line or below the 0% line. If you want to get the RKTMI strategy template, you can get it on the group. Just go to the group you got this link from. The group you got this link from. Go back to the group and request for it. You will see somebody will share it on to you.
Okay, can I talk?
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay. Good evening, Coach. Good evening, everybody. Coach Sandisu, I continue to have challenge in drawing my Fibonacci. I don't know, of course, by the time I go around it, I think I always, whether I'm to start drawing from the down to the up or to take it from up to down.
What do you mean up to down? Is it the price range that you're using to measure the take profit?
No, for example, when you have your candles going, your candles going down, right? And then it eventually retraces. For you to get when it will probably retrace back, that's around that 50% or 61.8. You need to draw it. Is it from the last high to the lower one, or from the former lower to the high?
It is from the current price of the coin. That's where you start to put your price and start to measure upward. The current price of the coin, and the current price of the coin is the dash, the horizontal dash line that you see. I will show you on the chart when I want to show you the second example. I just want to see how you guys react. I just shared. I'm going to share it. I will share it on my screen and do another example.
Okay. I'm not talking of measuring the price or the percentage or profit to actually plot your Fibonacci.
Have you set your Fibonacci? Have you set it on your chart?
Yes, I have. Oh, yes, I have.
So what's the issue now?
Okay. Let me just say, from where do you start to draw your Fibonacci?
You probably go, but if you're on this call, make her co-host so that she be sure asking, because I don't seem to get what you're saying.
Okay. Which should I? Okay, let me share it through TradingView. Sorry.
I thought you are joining this meeting with your cell phone. Even if you're not joining it. And share your screen and you go to TradingView and show us what you're saying.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sorry, but I'm not a host.
You're a co-host, so you can share. Okay, I remember now. So BC, I'm going to make you co-host so that you'll be able to share your screen.
Okay.
Coach Mo, are you on this call? Coach Mo? I don't know what's wrong with this Coach Mo's network. He is out and he's okay. Coach Mo, are you on this call? Please confirm if you're on this call. Coach Mo, confirm if you're on this call, because I can see you just made BC co-host.
Hello, yes, I just joined now. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Can you make me host just in case Royal Q, just in case network through here? Just make me host.
Let me do that now. Let me do that now, please. Network is just not stable here. Let me do that now. All right, done. Please proceed.
Okay, so
can you see my TradingView?
No, we can't see your screen. Share your screen again.
Okay. Let's share my screen. Can you see it now?
I'm not seeing your screen. You're not sharing your screen.
I am. I don't know what's wrong with. I have a challenge in sharing my screen.
No. It's not just today. I remember that you always have
Yes,
challenges.
I always exactly.
So try and explain it. Try and explain again. Let me see if I can grab it.
Let's assume you have a chart, right? And
Yes.
you want to plot your Fibonacci to know when the
plotting your Fibonacci. You are not your Fibonacci indicator. There are two types of Fib. There is one that looks like a price range where you can just go and start it and you can go and use it on the chart, making use of the swing high and swing low of the trend of the candle. Now, that's not the one we are talking about. You want the auto Fibonacci indicator is what we're talking about. The indicator, the video that you guide you on how you can launch the indicator on your chart, we have it on. I've been sharing that video since January on our groups, on all our groups. I will share it again.
Maybe it's the
Coach
one
Mo,
that has the values 61.8%, 50%, 38.2.
it's not about having the value. It's about having the indicator on your chart, not you going to pick it like the way you pick price rent and angle and manually drag it on your, put it on your candle and know where the 50%. No, that's not what I'm talking about.
Okay.
As you can
Okay.
see, if I share my screen now, I understand what you're saying, and that's not how we see. Let me tell you something, guys. Every team in Royal Q has their style and has their ways of trading. You need to, any team you are following, you need to understand their style, you need to know their settings. So as you will apply what they are doing for you to see the result you desire. Few hours ago, somebody in a leader, one of our leader, shared a screenshot on the group, of which the screenshot shows that that trade, those guys, the person that is using that that owns that account is in serious mess, and he has good capital. Why is he in serious mess? Because he just chose, you think he royalty is not something you can just go to YouTube and pick. You need somebody, you need, if you are using any team, if you are using top gainer strategy, that's why the video is there. That's why the setting is there. That's why the video is there for you to watch and understand what you are doing. No, that's why you see us say that understand the terms and conditions before you apply. Don't just go and jump into it, a strategy because it's vomiting money. When the market goes against you, like it happened it happened on Friday last week, where the non-farm payroll was bad, but unemployment is good. The market went south. People that did not really understand what they are doing, you can see they start complaining that they are floating. Why would you play us when you don't want to learn? Right? So please, you need to remove emotion from your mind, and understand that it is a business that you need to focus, put more effort, be focused, persevere, and consistency is what is going to, in the next 3 to 5 years, is going to make you excel. Right? So I'm going to share my screen now. You could see my screen now. You see, this is a trade in 15 minutes that is good, right? This is a 15-minute trade. You see it? It's even coming down. Wow, wonderful. Now, this is a trade. Now, Queen BC, you could see my auto Fibonacci indicator. I don't need to draw it. This is the one you are talking about.
Okay. Yes.
You are talking about the
Yes.
one that you your technical. Sorry, go to this place, and where is it called? Let me search for it now. Fib retracement. You're talking about this one where I'll just pick the thing low.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, no. This is not how we trade. Guys, a team, some Royal team make use of this. Some Royal team members make use of this. That's how they choose to trade. You just need to stick. Don't go and, this is not how we trade. Other things can use it and make money because that's how their style. Like I say, and I'm still being emphatic, every team has their style. This is our style of trading. And this is just one of our style. We have plenty ways of trading, picking coins. Our students that post signal in all our groups, sometimes they don't use these 2 indicator tactics to pick signals. So it's not in all, because they too knows how to pick coin in different ways, right? This is not what we are using. We have the video that will guide you on how you can load your auto Fibonacci indicator. Fibonacci indicator. I usually share that video. Since January, I've been sharing that video. Some people don't give a damn to watch, but however, they just want to. How can you make money when you don't want to? You want to graduate and get degree, but you don't want to attend lecture. How is it going to work?
Let me try and understand. You mean this Fib retreat that is like this now? You mean on the RQTMI strategy, it's always permanent? It's always permanent. Once we just click on the coin, we see the settings. I'm going to share a video. Permanent. Okay.
You are going to be the one that would come and set it and load it on your charts for it to be like this. It's not as if you open your chart. No, you will not open your chart and see it. You want to set it. There is a video that I've been sharing. I'm going to share. Coach Mo, please, if you are on this call, share that video on all RQTMI groups for everybody to have that video. That video
Thank
guides
you.
you on how you can use stochastic RSI, you can load the auto fill. Remember, we are only using 2 indicators to confirm the trade. And I'm still saying this is not our mother or father's market. This tactics gives you 60% accuracy. When I say 60%, meaning that if you use the strategy to get 10 coins, 6 of them will go and give you what you want, but 4 of them, that's 40%, that's 4 of them can remain pending, but that's why we need margin calls. So that if those 4 happens, it can be giving you money downtrend, pending when it completely sell off. That's why we are saying that if you're using 3 minimum number of coins to trade is 3, make sure 2 is on default, 1 is on bull tactics. And it's any amount of coin you're trading. We said minimum 3, maximum 10. If you're using 5 coins, make sure 3 is on default, 2 is on bull tactics. Simple. I want to believe I've done justice to your challenge.
Yes, thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome. So this is another trade which is called ARK. I can go to my Royal Q, right? I can go to my Royal Q. Just go to my top gainers. I'll pick Biko. It's first 10. Biko is true and Biko true and ARK. Pick the top 10, any of them, and come and check it here. Make sure you satisfy the condition before I trade. As you can see, the stochastic RSI is telling me to go ahead, right? The stochastic RSI is telling me to go ahead. Then I'll go to the 4-hour time frame because it's 15-minute time frame I want to enter. You can see on the 4-hour time frame, I can't enter this. The confirmation on the 4-hour is not okay, right? But on the 15-minute, it's telling me to go ahead to enter the trade. It shows that if you go to the 4-hour, like say if your entry is on the 15-minute, you confirm on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, it's telling me this coin is still going to dip, so I'll not trade it. I'll go on the 1-hour. Is it okay? You can see on the 1-hour, it's okay, but my entry should be on the 5-minute if I want to confirm on the 1-hour. If I go on the 5-minute, what did I say? You see, on the 5-minute, it's okay, right? It's telling me to go ahead. But on the 1-hour confirmation, it's okay. You guys know what I mean by confirmation. If you don't understand it, the script is there. On the confirmation time frame, what you're looking for is the orange line and the green line. You need the stochastic between the orange line and the green line. This is the stochastic line that moves like a snake. You need it to be between orange. That is the tip. Then you need an RSI between 0 and 50, right? Which is okay. Then I want to go and enter on the 5 minutes. What do? I pick my price. You see, the stochastic is telling me to go ahead. I'll just pick my price. Remember that we said that if it's anything 30 minutes and below entry, it should be 1.5% take profit. So I'll just take my 1.5% and I'm out. See it? I can drop this trade tomorrow. You see that it will sell off before tomorrow. To sell off. Yeah? See it? Simple. See it? Now, how do I do it? I went to the top gainers and pick a coin from there, first 10, 1 to 10. I pick one. I just pick the third one. You see, I picked the coin with the third one. To the number 3 that I picked. Then I came back to my trading view and I checked if I trade it. This is what is referred to, I refer to as top gainers plus RQTMI strategy. Right? However, you can decide to remain on use the top gainer strategy, come here, load your Bollinger Band, load your Bollinger Band just like it was stated on the video, right? With your KDR, with your KD, your KDR, once it cross, you can go watch the video and understand it, and that this is another way of trading, right? But it is not RQTMI. It is an added advantage, added skill to your trading strategy. It's an added skill to your trading strategy. It is very important to watch the video, understand it, know how it works, follow the settings and apply it. Then if you want to apply it with RQTMI strategy, you just come to the top gainers, pick one, first 10, 1 to 3, anyone, come to your trading view and come and pick it and analyze it and know what when to enter. But remember, we said that 30 minutes and below entry time frame, don't go beyond 1.5%. Simple. So you guys can go and make money. I think I will drop this signal on the group so that you guys will see what we're saying.
Please, I still have a question on that one.
Guess what? No,
I
the
still
thing
have
is that the thing is that it's not at once that you grab. As long as you are attending the Zoom consistently. That's when you grab. You can't say you want to just know it today. As they teach it, sometimes you might not grab it today. And maybe if you go and watch the recording against next week, that's why we do this every week. So what's your question? Go on.
Okay. You know, when the analysis you did now on ARK, you said on the 15 minutes time frame, it says you should enter, but when you looked at it on the 4-hour time frame, it wasn't ready yet.
That's why I stepped away.
Eh?
That was why I stepped away from the 4-hour time frame.
Okay, so despite the fact that it's not ready on the 4-hour time frame, you can take it. It means you can still take it on the 15-minute time frame and just take a maximum profit of 1.5.
No, I'm using the 1 hour and 5 minute entry.
Okay.
You see, it's 5 minutes.
Yes. Okay.
That's my entry. It is the 5 minute that is telling me to go ahead. But on the 1 hour, it's telling me, okay, I can continue.
Okay.
Somebody will say, why are you doing this? It is because on the 5 minutes, if I don't hit my target, on the 1 hour, my stochastic is already still on the buy zone, meaning that I'm using Binance Exchange, meaning that people using Binance are still going to be buying the coin. So on the 1 hour, I'm still safe. As long as people are buying the coin, the price will still go up. That is why we're confirming. That's why we are confirming, just in case on that 1 hour, 5 minute time frame, I didn't hit my 1.5%. But on the 1 hour, when I say 1 hour, the activity of buy and sell of this ARK on Binance, on 1 hour, within 1 hour, in the 1 hour time frame, what is the volume of buy, what is the volume of sell? That is what in the TradingView application is using to form all these candles you're seeing.
Okay, thank you.
I want to believe this question that Queen Busy have asked, it's helpful for some people, right? Right. Remember that I always say that this is not casted on stone. This is not our father's market or our mother's market. This is not your mother or father's market. Sometimes this is the retail trading. Sometimes the market will do its thing. That's why we say that make sure you are using two of your coins should be on default setting and one should be on bull tactics if you're using 3 coins. If you're using anything you are doing, make sure you have the default number of coins on the default coin setting should be 1 greater than the number of coins on the bull tactics, so that in case the market do its thing like on Friday last week, you still have margin calls that can still be making you to see good money dropping on your revenue detail, not the one that you remain stuck and you're waiting for a while. But however, if you understand what you are doing, you know what it is, you don't give it down. You just be waiting patiently for it to recover. So, what's the question, Michael Olale, before we call it a day? I think we've come to the end of this class. We have seen Bitcoin to still be bullish. I'll check the chart. I think I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, this few 2-3 months should be bullish because the announcement that is coming on the 12th of June, we don't see any reason why the Fed will have to increase the interest rate. It's either they pause it or they cut it. But the question now is, if they pause it, it is bullish. If they cut it, it is bullish. So that's why we're saying if that news is positive, there is no reason why Bitcoin will not go. That is fundamental, that is controlling Bitcoin. Even if you come to your technical chart and you're seeing Bitcoin is going up and that news is bad, there is nothing that will make that Bitcoin to go up. It must come down because people will use it. Investors are using it to throw in money into the space. Right. So when you see the fundamental news concurring with the technical news, that's when you start seeing Bitcoin hitting up, going up, and every coin going up. So that is that. Let me just answer some questions. Michael Olelele. Go on, Michael Olelele.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, Coach.
Yeah, good evening. Just go straight to your question. Your name and your where you're calling from, and go straight to your question.
Okay. My name is Michael Olele from Lagos State. And the question I want to ask, this is a top gainers strategy. I'm in the group. I watched the video, but I didn't see the setup. I didn't see the setup.
Coach Mo, maybe probably
Okay.
you will go and share the video. You will get it. Just watch on the group
Okay.
you got this link from. You stay. Go and type it on the. You watch it, Coach Mo. If Coach Mo, I will ask Coach Mo to share it on the group.
All right.
Or the second is, we shared this thing on the group. I don't know why you didn't lay your hands on it. I shared it myself on the group. Don't worry, you will get it. King Joseph. King Joseph. King Joseph. King Joseph. Okay, I think King Joseph is not ready. He's not ready to ask his question. Let's see. I'll go straight to the chat and see if there's any question on the chat. It's not necessary that you have to unmute yourself to ask. If you cannot unmute yourself and ask, type it question on the chat. See, your offline, even if your offline is not there for you, as long as you're attending on Zoom, we don't care whether you're on our team, as long as you are doing IQ, you should succeed, unless you don't want to attend Zoom. So most people want to graduate, they want the certificates, but they don't want to attend lecture. They don't want to go and get and read about the course. They just want to get the certificate, which is not going to work. As long as you are in this business, you need knowledge, you need skill. That's why you need to attend Zoom meeting. So I can see that nobody has question on the chat, and just King Joseph is not ready to ask his question. I've been trying to unmute him, but unfortunately he's not answering his question. Okay. Yeah, go straight to your name, which country you're calling from, and go straight to your question.
I'm just Okay, I'm Joseph from Nigeria. Please, I want to ask about these candles because I do see that at some point the candle will be counting. Maybe it was green, later it will be red. I want to know, does it mean that each of these candles signifies time frame before it will jump to either red or green again? I don't know if you get my question, sir.
Now, these two indicator tactics, RKTMI 2 indicator tactics, you are not trading candles. The indicator is helping you to interpret what the candle is doing. Yes, I can tell you, I can teach candle science. I think we can teach you how to pick how to read the candles. That is to say, whenever you see a hammer, whenever you see inverted hammer, whenever you see doji, all those things, we are not doing it here. This strategy is just the indicator that's helping you to interpret, right? When you see red, meaning that people are using that your exchange to sell that coin. When you see green candle, meaning that people are using that exchange that you are using to trade your money is, people are using that exchange to sell, to buy the coin. Green means sell, green means buy, red means sell, right? All these candles mean something. They are telling a story, but we are trying to make sure that we give you something that is easy for you to just go follow simple instruction and make money. Because by the time we now come here and start telling you, go, you need to, if you see this kind of candle called doji, it means that it's market reversal. When you see this candle called morning star, you have to memorize. There are like 20 of, almost getting to 30 or 50 of them. You need to go and read them. Even chart pattern tactics, you need to go and look at patterns. Even this candle used to form patterns. All these things will make it complicated for you. And you are just coming into cryptocurrency and just a trader. You will run away that this thing is not, you can't learn it. That is why we say that this is just indicators. You are just focusing on indicators that is interpreting the candles for you and just know when to enter. However, if you don't grab it, you don't know how to use indicators, watch this recording. And when you watch it, if you have any question, be writing it down, write it down. Next week, Sunday, you come back and ask the question so that this is how you learn. Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Or have I answered your question? Or you need more clarity? King Joseph, are you still on this call? Okay, I guess maybe probably King Joseph is not happy with the answer I gave to him. But what I am telling you is, if I say I want to start teaching you candles now, you on this call, most of you will not grab. Some people would get, but very few will grab it. Even this indicator I'm telling you, some of us don't grab it, don't get it. This is just one. If you don't want anything about, in fact, if you don't want to download, you don't want to put all these indicators on your chart, stick to trading without analysis. 25 volatile coins of RQTMI, load it on your trading view, 25 of them. Anytime you see -3, chart change percent of -3 or and above, go and trade it and take your 3% and you're out. Simple. You don't care about the indicators. You can go with that. But if you say you want to use the indicators based on what I just showed you, this is how you use it. So Queen Shedrack, unmute yourself and ask your question. King Shedrack.
Hello?
Go straight to your name, your country, and go straight to your question.
Yeah, my name is Shedrack from Nigeria. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go on.
All right. Yeah, I want to ask a different question. It's not about what you're teaching today, but I'm somehow confused about it. I know some other people too may want to ask the same question. And the question goes thus. On my Royal Q, I'm trading RAF, REF. Then on the Royal Q, there's this, it's showing -9 as of now that I'm talking to you, showing -9. That is of that coin. But on the trading view, I'm seeing -3. I checked my Binance, and what I'm seeing there is -3. I don't know if there's a problem somewhere, or that is how it's supposed to be.
There is no problem. Royal Q is making use of those people that are using Royal Q, the USDT they are putting on that coin to show you that change percent that you're seeing. But on TradingView is making use of the USDT on Binance, on that coin, to show you what's happening to that coin. That's why you're seeing it different. The Royal Q users, anybody that is using Royal Q to trade that coin, they used to put USDT on that coin. So that USDT that is on that coin, whether they are selling or buying, you will see if they are like now currently they are selling. That's why you're seeing -9. That is the Royal Q users. But when you come to Binance, the TradingView application is using the number of people that are selling that coins on Binance, right? That's why you're seeing they're not as much as that of those selling it on Reg. That's why you're seeing it -3, right? So whichever one you use is still fine. That's why you see top gainer strategy. You can see a coin in green in Royal Q and come and see it in red in TradingView. You can see a coin in red in Royal Q and come and see it green in TradingView. That's not an issue. All you just need, what you are interested in is just make sure the strategy you are using, you understand it, you know when to pick a trade. That's it.
Yeah. Yes, and the problem is it has been on that -9 for 2 days. It has been on -9.
Are you using iPhone?
2 days. No. Android. And I have another question. Please, hello?
Go on.
Yeah, please, where can I download that template, the strategy template? I've been checking your YouTube channel. Yes, where I can put in the capital and it will give me
request for it on the group where you got this link from.
All right, I asked somebody there and he said the person just forwarded one video YouTube link to me to check the video on YouTube.
Okay, that is the top gainers setting, right? If you're looking
Yes.
for RQTMI Excel template setting,
Yes.
tell the
Yes.
person,
Yes. Yes.
type it on the group that please, I need RQTMI Excel template settings. Somebody will share it on the group.
Okay.
If you can see my
Okay.
screen, you are talking about Rev. I don't know whether it's your screen network. I'm just checking. I've not seen that coin you're talking about. If you can
The
see my
ref.
screen,
Okay. Yes, I can see your
I don't.
screen.
It should be your network because you can see there is no Rev in my own. Which exchange are you using?
Binance.
I'm also using Binance. You can see there's no Rev. It should be your network. You can see. Do you see any
No,
RE?
on Binance is okay on Binance, but on Royal Q is
And that's
-9.
show me. And why is minus? Why did you see -9 on Royal Q? This is my Royal Q now. I'm also using Binance Exchange. Where do you see -9?
Wait, can I just share my screen? Wait, I'm coming.
So me, I'm trying to, in order not to take, you can see it's already time. I don't want to take more time. I'm just telling you that it's your network. Try get a good network. It should load. You can see my screen. There's no any coin that is -9 here.
Yes, I can see. Oh, can I private chat you personally, like privately?
No. If you want me to respond to any question you want, just come on Zoom. Don't chat me up. I have plenty messages that sometimes I don't still respond. I don't want to die early because of the kind of messages I. So if you have any question,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem.
Feel free. We don't care whether you are in our, as long as you are doing React, you shall have activated a robot. Just attend Zoom.
Yes.
Any question you have, write it down. Anytime we are doing Zoom. So starting from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which is the technical aspect of React, come ask your question. Anyone will respond to you.
Can I share a picture on the chat right now so you see what I'm saying on my React?
Share your screen. Share your. Let me make you share your screen.
Okay, so let me go back to. Okay.
Share your screen. The codes now. Share your screen.
Okay, sir. I'm coming screen. Yes. Yeah. Can you see my screen, sir? Sir, can you see my screen? Hello?
I can't see it. Do you know how to share screen?
Yes, let me on the display overlay. I'm coming. I'm coming, sir. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Can you see my screen, sir?
Go on, I can see it. Go on, go to your RealQ.
Okay, this is it. Yeah, you can see oh, okay, let me use my, yeah. You can see the coin I'm trading. It's still RAV -8.
You said -8. This is not what I'm looking at. -8 is -8 floating loss. If you go to home, you can. I'm talking about you arranging the coin based on the ones that are rising in price and based on the ones that are falling in price. That's what I was referring to.
Okay.
Strategy. Tap on strategy.
All right. Yeah.
Now this tap on more.
Where is it? Where's
more?
The more?
See more.
Okay, more. Yeah.
Now,
yes.
if you go to your Binance, you will see the USDT on the Rev has reduced by $2. You will see $23.
Okay.
Now, if you say 2/25, if you go to your calculator and punch 2.2 divided by 25.4, it will give you -8%. That's why you're seeing -8.8%. It is calculating the percentage, the loss in percentage. That's why you're seeing return rate. If you punch your calculator 2.24 divided by 25.47, it will give you -8. You give you 8.82%. It is calculating it for you in percentage. This is not that is not what you are talking about, brother. But I hope you understand what I'm saying now.
Yes. Now I understand. Yes, sir. But sir, it has been like this for 2 days.
And that is what it is now. You are using, you can see, that's why I say anything you are using, follow their style and follow their settings, right? If you are using RKTMI settings and RKTMI style, we don't trade less than $100 on the coin. You can see right now you have less than $100 on the coin. You have 25 plus 23. So the team's tactics you are using, the team tactics is telling you you can use $100 less than $100. So you just have to remain patient and wait based on how you pick the trade. Based on how you pick the trade, the team setting and the team style you're trading is telling you that you just have to be patient and wait for it to sell.
Okay, let me share on that one on OKX. I'm sorry for taking your time. On OKX, I have more than 100 there. And this has been
You're not getting me. No, you're not getting me. I'm telling you that if you are using, if you are using RQTMI Excel templates, the minimum capital you use on a coin is $100, and the way you set it also matters, right? So whatever team you are using, you need to stick to their style and stick to their setting for you to see the result you desire.
Okay, yes, I understand.
You get? Yes, I don't care if I can spend 15 minutes or 20 minutes to you. So long as I've been able to communicate something to you, I've made an impact to you to make you know what you're asking and give you an answer to the question you are asking. That's what matters to me. I don't care whether you are in my team or you're not in my team. I don't care. Just make sure if you have any challenge, don't send me a mail. Just come on Zoom and ask the question. I will try as much as possible to help you to succeed. Now you see you have $45 on a coin and you have 5 margin calls. I don't know how you got the setting. It will work based on the team that you are following and based on the style you are picking the coin. You get? So if it's not selling for you, you just remain patient. Like in this case now, it has not peaked because you can see it's showing green. Maybe you probably have to refresh because it has bought up to 5 margin calls as I can see on Bonk. I can see Guy. On Bonk, it has brought up to 5 margin calls. Maybe probably your network is not need to refresh for it to show the return rate.
No, it has not been showing. If I use OKX, it has not been showing anything. It will remain plain like this on OKX.
Okay, I don't know. Why is it like that?
I don't know. Even I asked all these coins will not show anything. They are not showing anything there. If I'm using OKX, but if I'm using Binance, it will show.
If you're using Binance, I don't know. Yes. I've not used. Maybe probably you can. I've not used OKX to trade WhereIQ. I don't use OKX to trade WhereIQ. Maybe you have to sign out and sign in again because it's supposed to show. You can't say it's not showing. It's supposed to show. If it's showing for other exchange, there's no reason why it should not show for OKX. Okay, maybe if you have, and if you look at it, if you have not binded properly, the money on your coin will not show. 26.91 will not show. And so you need to refresh. Sometimes it's like that. Even anybody that's using Android phone, sometimes it's like that. You need to refresh and see that it shows the return rate. It's supposed to show. Are you saying that ever since you picked this trade, it does not show?
It has not shown, yes. And that is why I switched to Binance. I have to put on that, try to buy on that coin on Binance so I can use Binance. Because I started with OKX.
If you are using preset, even if you use preset price, so long as it's on 50 margin call.
Yeah.
So long, tap on the coin, return rate, tap on the return rate. Let me see.
Okay. Then let me tap on the trading settings.
Scroll up, go up. Not trade setting. Go up. Go
That's
up,
all.
go up, not down. Now go down, sorry, go down.
Okay.
Now you see your return rate is not showing return rate. Maybe you can chart support because it's supposed to show return rate. If it's showing 5 margin call, it means it has got up to 50 margin call, right? It's
Yes.
supposed to show return rate. And this your $45. I don't think, are you using $5 per margin call? The money is too
Yes,
small
sir.
for this.
Yes, sir. Yes.
My brother, this is not how I trade. This money you're seeing, you can just combine it and trade 2 coins instead of just spreading it on plenty coins. This $45 is too small for 5 margin calls. They're using $5 for each coin. I don't know whether OKX is allowing you to buy $5, but I don't think that can happen on Binance. However, I will advise you, when you see the coin on profit, you can manually sell all of them and just trade you don't need to over trade, right? You just know how to enter a coin and get out of the coin. So minimum number of coins is 3. Let's say you have $300, you can be trading with 3 coins, $100 per coin. Instead of trading 10 or 15 coins. And at the end of the day, you get stuck and you're just seeing cent dropping.
Because I've been like this for like 3 days. This one has been like this for like 3 days. Without no
1 week. If you open a shop and you're selling cement and somebody did not come and buy in 5 days or 1 week, you will close your shop.
No.
Business. This is live business. See, I think I'll end this session now. I want to believe I've made you understand what you're supposed to know.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
My advice for you is to ensure that all these coins you're seeing is on profit, then you manually sell it. Trade 3, minimum number of coins is 3, maximum number of coins is 10. If you have $100, $300, you can trade 3 coins, $100 per coin. Simple. However, if you're on this call, I want to share something very important. I can see somebody is saying on the chat that why am I advising him to save his app? I don't understand what you mean by that. You say, please, coach, why don't you advise him to save his? Okay, because it's not to get, so don't worry about that. We need to attend to people as much as possible. The goal is to touch more lives with Royal Q. It doesn't really matter if you know the person or you don't know the person, right? You need to touch somebody positively. That is what counts. It is not about your wealth. Touch people positively with what you have, right? Now I'm going to share something. Listen to this guy, Dangote. The reason why we listen to this guy, Jack Ma, the reason why we listen to them is because they are the richest men on earth. So you listen to their advice, not a broke person that don't have cash in it. He doesn't even have $100,000 or $500,000, and he's advising you, and you're listening, right? Listen to this. Follow them on Twitter. Follow these guys on Twitter. Let me share it. I think I have it here. Listen to what he said before I end the class. It's very important. A very, very, very nice video that he did. That he's saying that, see, listen attentively.
If you want to be successful tomorrow, it's impossible. If you want to be successful,
Coach Bashir, can you hear it? Bashir,
Yes,
on
sir.
this call, can you hear it? Okay, that's fine.
Yes.
Listen to what he said. Guys, just listen.
if you want to be successful tomorrow, it's impossible. If you want to be successful a year later, it's impossible. But if you want to win 10 years later, you have a chance.
Now, you've listened to what he said. If you activate your robot and your Royal Q robot, and you want to be successful tomorrow, is a lie. It's not possible. If you activate your Royal Q robot and you want to be successful in the next 1 year, it's not possible. But if you want to blow in 10 years' time, you will blow. That's what he's saying. He's even telling you that you need to give the business 10 years. And we in Royal Q community, we are telling you, give Royal Q 3 to 5 years and it will pay you for the rest of your life. A very good example, take James Makara and Dr. Money. The very day they hit V6 2021 till today, that account is vomiting, coughing. It is coughing and vomiting $100 minimum every single day. For the rest of their life, they keep making $100. How many of us are making that money in our place of work? That's what we are telling you. The reason why they hit that rank, they took it, they know they've seen it even before we saw it. The opportunity, they ran with it like in fact, Dr. Money was having high BP when she was looking for V6. Just to let you know how she was so dogged to get that rank, even with James Amakara. Right? Some of us will just activate right and you are sleeping, you're not serious with your business and you want to hit, you want to make V6. It's not going to work. Yeah, it is your effort that matters. You give it 3 to 5 years. We are not even saying 10 years. Give it 3 to 5 years and it will pay you for the rest of your life. So if your coin have not sold, even if it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you already know that it is 3 to 5 years of it is not 3 to 5 years of laziness. It is 3 to 5 years of consistency, perseverance, and focus. When I say focus, meaning that when you start RoyalQ, a lot of things will be coming. Forget RoyalQ. We have another business. It is paying 100%. Focus. If you don't hit VCs, you're not doing another thing. That's what it's called focus. Focus on RoyalQ. What eyes are you looking for? Everything you're looking for is in RoyalQ. The thing is that do you have the eyes to see it? That's why you need to attend Zoom for you to have the eyes to see what we are seeing. Why so leaders of RoyalQ are still taking RoyalQ passionately and they are taking RoyalQ like their life depend on it because they are seeing something that you are not seeing. So you need to be praying to God to make you see that thing. Well, you take RoyalQ serious. Thank you very much. Always remember the words of Warren Buffett. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Good night, everyone.